In this demonstration video, I'm going to walk you through how to use TrafficCloud. First, you'll log in and you'll see your dashboard with easy access to all your campaigns in one place. On the left side, you'll see the navigation menu. We'll start with campaigns. Next, you'll see three types of campaigns that you can create. You have the GIF campaign, image campaign, or custom campaign. We'll start by adding a GIF campaign. And you're going to give your campaign a name. You're going to type in a keyword of your choice, click Save and Find. And you will see GIF options related to your targeted keyword. If you want to see more, just click Load More. All right, and then once you have found one that you want to use, click to select it. Next, you're going to choose which platforms you want to publish to. With our basic TrafficCloud membership, you can choose Twitter, LinkedIn, and Blogger. With the Pro membership, you can also choose Pinterest, Tumblr, and Imgur. Next, you choose whether you want to post immediately or at a specific time. If you choose to post at a specific time, you can choose any date and time in the future. Pick the year, pick the month, pick the day, pick the time. For now, let's just choose to post it immediately, and then click Promote Now. And when you do that, TrafficCloud is going to go to work for you. Once it's done, it will say published successfully. So in this demo, we just published to Twitter, Tumblr, and Imgur in a matter of seconds. All right, let's go take a look at our Twitter account. And you can see here that the GIF that was just published by TrafficCloud is here along with the chosen text. Next, we'll look at Tumblr, and again, we can see that our GIF was successfully published. All right, and then we're going to look at Imgur, and let's see here. We're going to go to our own posts, our own profile here. Looks like we just need to dismiss that notice over here first. There we go. All right, we're going to go to posts, and we will click to view all of our posts. And once again, we see that TrafficCloud was successful. Now, if we click that post, we will see several options and things that you can do with that post. All right, you can get the URL if you want to share it. You can download it. You can delete it. You can share it to the community. You can add tags. You can embed it. All that kind of stuff. All right, let's go back to TrafficCloud, and again we're here on the success page, and let's go back to the dashboard. And actually we could have just clicked on campaigns directly, but we'll click campaigns again, and this time let's add an image campaign. So go ahead and click that. You're going to give your image campaign a name. You are going to enter a redirect URL. Now this is where you can send your traffic to any URL of your choice. You're going to pick an image source from our drop-down menu and enter a keyword of your choice. Click Save and Find. And then you have a few options here. These are some things that you may just want to kind of play with and experiment. You've got a couple of different content template options, and then you have the content itself, which is the text, which will be on your image. And then you can choose the font. We've got several to choose from. Lots of different styles. You can choose the size of your font. You can choose whether you want it center, left, or right. You can then choose your font color, and we've got a full color selector there, so you can literally choose any color you want. You can choose whether you want a text shadow or not, and then you can choose the color of that shadow. You can choose whether you want to enable a background color or not. So again, lots of options here that you can basically just play with and see, kind of what looks good. And this is going to allow everyone just to have totally unique content that they're creating using this TrafficCloud tool. And you can kind of go through and select one that you want to use. Once again, like we did for the GIF, you choose the platforms that you want to use. Let's choose Twitter. Let's choose LinkedIn. And let's choose Tumblr. Let's choose Imgur. Again, you can choose to post at a specific time. You can pick any date, any year, and then for this demo, we'll just post immediately and click promote now, and already it's been published successfully. That was very fast and easy. You can see where this really saves you a lot of time publishing to multiple platforms at once. Now here's our Twitter account. You can see that we just posted. You have the title, you have the custom image that we just created, and this takes, and when you click it, the visitor is taken to your custom link. Now we'll check LinkedIn. All right. And let's see here. We're gonna go to our own profile, our own posts. And you can see here that the TrafficCloud post was successfully posted to our LinkedIn timeline here. And again, with our own custom link, if somebody clicks that, that is going to go to whatever link you chose. All right, so you can send this traffic anywhere you want. All right, we just sent it to this little squeeze page here for the demo. All right, then we jump over to Tumblr. Again, same thing. You can see it was successfully posted. And again, it has that link embedded in it. So if we were to click it, or your visitors click it, they are taken directly to your link. And same thing with Imgur. All right, once again, we're gonna go to our posts, I believe. Yeah, posts. And click to view. Oh, and we see it right here. We've already got it on all. This is the one we just posted, and we can click it. And once again, we have several options of what we can do with this post. Going back to TrafficCloud, here's our dashboard once again, and we will click on campaigns once more. All right, so this time let's look at adding a custom campaign. For the custom campaign, we're going to add a campaign name, and this allows you to upload your own image. So any image you want, any image that you possess that you acquired elsewhere. Maybe it's a picture you took yourself, maybe it's one that you got from a site somewhere else, maybe it's your own logo, whatever it is. You can upload any sort of image that you want, and then once again, you can send that traffic anywhere. So pick your URL, click Save and Preview, and then similar to what we just did in the image campaign demonstration, you have several different options available. You choose your content template, you choose the actual content, which is the text that appears on top of the image. And then the footer content, if you're using the template that has the footer text as well. And then once again, you can choose your font. Plenty to choose from. You can choose whatever size is going to look the best on that image. Yeah, choose whether you want to center it. Choose your font color. Obviously, if you have a very dark image, you're going to probably want to use a light font color. If you have a very light image, you're going to want to use a dark font color. You can choose whether you want a text shadow. You can choose the color of the shadow. You can choose to enable a colored background. We're just kind of going random here right now. I'm going to click Save and Preview, and it's going to show you kind of approximately what it looks like. All right, so I'm going to click Select. And once again, we get to choose which platforms we want to publish to. So we'll publish to Twitter, we'll publish to LinkedIn, and you can choose whether you want to post at a specific time. You can choose any date, any time, or we can choose to post it immediately. Once you're ready, go ahead and click Promote Now. And once again, we have published successfully. All right, and then we have Twitter here. And you can see that once again, our post was published successfully. If we click this, it is going to take us to the link that we specified. Again, you can send your traffic absolutely anywhere you want. For this demo, we just sent it to a little squeeze page here. All right, same thing if we want to go check out LinkedIn. We'll head over to our own timeline posts. And there it is. Okay, once again, if we click that image, it is going to take us to the link that we specified. And there it is. Success. Once again, back to TrafficCloud. We'll go to the dashboard here. So this kind of shows you what we've set up so far, the GIF campaign, you've got image campaigns. Let's click on automation now. And you can choose to add either a GIF automation or an image automation. So we'll choose GIF automation. All right, so you're going to give your automation a name. This is where you can really set this thing on autopilot and have it publish content for you. Any keyword of your choice, and then you can choose how many posts you want to publish and how often you want to publish them. You know, it could be 1 per hour, 1 per day, 1 per week. It could be 10 per week. It could be 5 per month. It could be 10 per day. And once you've figured it out, however many you want to post, click Next, and then you get to choose which platforms you want to publish it to on autopilot. So let's pick Twitter, we'll pick LinkedIn, you can pick them all. And then once you're ready, save and activate. All right, and so we've just activated this automated campaign. All right, so it's going to go to work for us. And I think we selected 1 per day, so once a day it's going to go post a targeted GIF based on our keyword to all of those social platforms. And then you can choose if you want to delete it, if you want to edit it, you click the edit button. If you want to delete it, you click the little trash can. All right, obviously once you delete it, it's gone forever. Let's see, go back to the dashboard. And once again, we'll click on automation. And we'll click to add an image automation this time. And just like we did before, we give the automation a name. We're going to choose a source where we're going to pull those images from. We can give it any keyword we want, and then we can choose a quote category. So it's going to kind of randomize quotes based on that category. The redirect URL, you can send that traffic anywhere you want. Choose how often you want TrafficCloud to publish it for you. So we'll just say one per week right now, or 1 per day, sorry. We'll choose the font, choose the size, choose where you want it, pick the font color, and Then you can choose whether you want a text shadow, and if you do, what color you want to use. You can choose to enable a colored background. And then you can pick an end date for your automation. So, maybe you only want to run this campaign for a month, maybe you want to run it for 2 months, maybe you want to run it for a year, maybe you only want to run it for a few days. You can choose whenever you want that automation to end. Otherwise, it's going to keep on publishing based on your chosen frequency up until that end date. All right, so there we go. Let's pick our end date here. Obviously, the end date has to be sometime in the future. And then click Save and Next. Once again, we choose which platforms we want to publish to. If you're a pro user, you can choose from all 6 platforms. And then save and activate that automated campaign. All right, so this is going to go to work for us, and it is going to publish this image. It's going to find it from Pixabay. It's going to do it once a day. We can edit it if we want to. We can delete it if we want to. All right, and that is where TrafficCloud is really going to work for you over and over again on autopilot.